here, having the time of my life at Seattle Science Foundation.
I think it's been fantastic. I mean, these guys are leaders in the field and they're providing opportunity for fellows and, young doctors like myself to really explore the latest innovations and the best ways to take care of patients.
Great. It's the best course I've been to. I haven't been anywhere else where you can do so many advanced procedures in one spot. Faculty's wonderful. It's just a great opportunity to learn.
Having the opportunity to learn from leaders in the field like Dr. Beal and learning different approaches to these modalities are really going to contribute to our learning.
You realize that when you have so many smart people in one room, there's a lot of different ways to do the same thing. And so it just gives you some more options of when you're in a sticky situation. Hey, let me try what Dr. Beal was doing. Let me try what Dr. Clark was doing. And so I think it just gives our patients better overall quality of care.
We got Dr. Beal, we got some cadavers, we got some metal and spine. That's all you need in life.
Really anyone that's interested in pain, I feel like in residency would even be a great opportunity too.
Minutes worth his weight in gold.
It's awesome, at least for me, coming from residency program, not seeing this, doing this in a daily life. We read about it, but doing this in reality makes me understand the things more.
Come out and join us. 12th annual, be here for the 13th. Come on out.